Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to trim your audio outside the selection. So, if you want to trim your audio outside the selected part, then you can use a tool in Audacity and complete your project within few minutes. So, let's get started and let's learn how to use this trim audio tool. So, first of all, open your Audacity software. Import any of your audio file. Go to file section, import and audio. You can press Ctrl Shift plus I from your keyboard and import your audio file. So I will select and open it. Now you can see that here is our trim audio outside selection tool. You can select it by pressing Ctrl plus T from your keyboard. So how can I use it? First of all, you will select a part which you want to remain in your project file. The remaining part will delete automatically when we click on the trim audio outside selection tool, or we can press Ctrl plus T and it will automatically delete outside the outside your file which is not selected. So I will press Ctrl plus T from my keyboard, and here you can see that our outside part outside selection part is deleted automatically. I will undo this, and again I will teach you how you can use it. First of all, uh, if you want to save that part in your project file, then you can select it first, and after that you will click on trim audio outside the selection tool. So it will automatically trim all the part which is not used in our project. So I will click on this tool and it will automatically delete the remaining part. So here you can see that the remaining part is deleted when I click on this trim audios outside selection tool. So this is a short tutorial. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.